Templates are used to help us assemble complex pieces from reusable building blocks quickly and with minimal cropping. I recommend watching multi-part pieces tutorial first. Here, we have a sweater pattern that has a border seed stitch chart and a center cable chart. We're going to want to repeat the border up both sides of the center cable, but rather than cropping the seed stitch border many times, I'd like to create a template of it and use that to rapidly assemble our complete motif. To begin, tap Setup. First, I'll crop the center chart. Tap the blue plus and select Chart Piece. I'll pick page 2. Crop around the cable chart and tap the wand. Be sure to set your first row and count by, and double check the grid matches. Now I need to make a template. Tap the blue plus and select Chart Template. Your template type must match the piece you want to add it to. I'll pick page 1 since that is where the seed stitch chart is. Now I'll crop around the seed stitch chart, tap the wand, and double check the results. Perfect. So now let's get started joining things together. Tap Pieces at the top left and select that center piece we made. Tap Join at the bottom and pick Add Template. Pick your template. Now you can drag to align your template to the piece. When it's correct, tap Save. We need to add the template again, so tap Join again and select Add Template. Pick your template. We will drag this one on top of the last one we added and tap Save. Let's do it one more time. Tap Join, select Add Template, and pick your template. This time, let's start the left stack. Drag your template over to the left edge and tap Save. You can add this template as many times as needed and use it for making as many complex pieces as you need with a single crop. Happy knitting!